Right, so this is my Sepatch air compressor. I was talking about draining them out. I haven't drained this for at least 2 months, maybe more. It doesn't really use a lot of oil. It's a little bit low, but whenever I empty mine, I always seem to get oily water come out the bottom. So let's try and empty it. Right, so there you go. Rusty water. This is why you got to empty them. If you let that build up inside, obviously, I drain mine regular. If you let that build up, it'll just rust from the inside out. But as I said, I always get a bit of oil in mine. Probably some bad rings in the piston, but there you go. That's why you got to drain your compressor.